All right, before we jump into the loop, let's meet the three helpers that do all the work in this program. The first one is A, and it starts with the value 0. Think of A as the current number we're about to print. The second one is B, and it starts with the value 1. This one holds the next number waiting in line. And the third one is next. Right now it's empty, but its job is to calculate the upcoming number whenever we need it. So just 3 small boxes. That's all we need to build the entire Fibonacci series. Now let's see how they work together.
Now look at this. The first thing that happens inside the loop after printing is this little line. Next equals A plus B. So we take whatever is in A, add it to whatever is in B, and store the result inside next. In our first round, A is 0 and B is 1. Add them, and next becomes 1. That's it. We've just calculated the new number in the Fibonacci series. But we're not done yet. We still need to prepare our boxes for the next round.
Here comes the clever part, the shifting step. After we calculate next, we slide all our values forward by 1 position. The value inside B moves into A, and the value inside next moves into B. So if A was 0 and B was 1, now A becomes 1 and B becomes 1. We've slid the window 1 step ahead. Why do we do this? Because in the next round, we want to add the latest 2 numbers again, and this shifting makes sure A and B always hold the most recent pair. Think of it like a moving window across the series. Every round, it slides forward by 1 number. Simple, but powerful.
Let's put it all together in one clean cycle. Every time the loop runs, 4 things happen in order. First, we print A. That's our current Fibonacci number. Second, we calculate next by adding A and B. Third, we update A to hold the value of B. And fourth, we update B to hold the value of next. Then the loop goes back to the top and repeats the whole cycle again. Print, add, shift, shift. Print, add, shift, shift. That's the entire rhythm of this program. Once you see it as a cycle, the logic feels almost automatic.
And here's the beautiful result of all that shifting and adding. The first 2 numbers, 0 and 1, are our starting point. They're given. After that, every single number is just the sum of the 2 numbers before it. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. And the pattern keeps going forever. This is the heart of the Fibonacci series. A simple rule. Add the previous 2, repeated again and again, builds this famous sequence that shows up in math, nature, and even art.
Now, let's trace exactly what happens inside our loop, round by round. In round 1, we print 0. After the addition and shift, A becomes 1 and B becomes 1. In round 2, we print 1. Then A stays 1 and B becomes 2. Round 3 prints 1. A becomes 2, B becomes 3. Round 4 prints 2. A becomes 3, B becomes 5. Round 5 prints 3. A becomes 5, B becomes 8. Round 6 prints 5. A becomes 8, B becomes 13. And round 7 prints 8. Look at the print column from top to bottom. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. That's our Fibonacci series, built 1 round at a time. Once you can trace the values like this, you truly understand the logic. And the best part? This same approach works in any programming language you pick up next.